In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Notion and build a simple, organized workspace. We're going to walk through the core setup process in a way that feels practical and easy to follow, especially if you're brand new to Notion. By the end, you'll understand how to create a workspace, how pages function, how to add basic content blocks, and how to organize everything so your setup stays clean and useful. To begin, open Notion and create your workspace. This is your main home base, where all of your pages, notes, projects, and systems will live. Think of the workspace as the container for everything you build inside the app. When setting it up, keep the purpose simple. You can always refine and expand it later as your needs become clearer. Once your workspace is ready, the next thing to understand is how pages work inside Notion. Pages are the foundation of the platform. You can use a page for almost anything, like meeting notes, a project plan, a content calendar, or a personal dashboard. One of the most useful things about pages is that they can also contain other pages, which makes it easy to create a structure that grows with you. As you explore, try to think of pages like flexible digital documents that can hold both information and organization. Inside those pages, you can start adding basic blocks. Notion is built around blocks, which means every piece of content is its own movable element. Add regular text for notes and ideas, headings to break content into sections, checklists for action items, and bullet points for simple lists. This block-based approach makes editing much easier because you can rearrange content as your page evolves. After that, create databases for things like tasks, notes, projects, or content. Databases are one of Notion's most powerful features because they let you store information in a structured way while still keeping it flexible. Instead of making separate, scattered pages, you can collect similar items together in one place and manage them more efficiently. Once your database is in place, customize the properties based on what you need. Properties help define each item in the database. For example, you might want status, labels, due dates, tags, or priority fields, depending on the kind of information you're tracking. The goal here is to make the database support your workflow, not complicate it. You can then use different views like table, board, calendar, and list. Each view shows the same database in a different format, so you can choose the layout that feels most useful for the way you work. Finally, organize your pages in the sidebar so everything is easy to find. A clear sidebar structure saves time and helps your workspace feel intuitive from day one.